Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today we're going to look at the latest Tesla update, which improves the side cameras. So we'll have a look at how the side cameras have been improved, and we'll do a before and after comparison. So here's what the cameras look like currently. So you can see that car's actually red, but in the repeater cameras it looks orange. So we're downloading the update now, and let's see, once we install it, the difference after we update. Let's have a look. So my Tesla just finished updating, and we can actually see on the dash cam recording the difference, so I'll show you now. So here's what the camera used to look like, and then once it updates you will see right about here the yellow tint goes away. Yeah, it looks much nicer. I wonder if it's made any change to the rear camera. It just seems to be brightness, but that could just be normal. You can definitely see it on the right. Although the front camera, no change. So it looks like they've just updated the left and right cameras. Pretty cool. You can also see it when you open up this camera view now, that the cameras look nicer. You can also see though in the service mode, it seems to have the old colors. So we'll have a look once it loads. Taking a while to load. But yeah, we can see the changes on the that it actually didn't apply to the service mode view, which is interesting. Yeah, left fender, right fender, and then here's what the view looks like on there. So that's interesting. You can also see if on the dash cam, I wonder if the compression or anything changed. It's a shame those cars aren't there anymore, because you'd really be able to tell the difference on red. Hope you all enjoyed the changes shown in this video. Leave some comments below if you'd like to see any other Tesla stuff covered. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and give it a like if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a dislike. See you all in the next video. Lens Addict out.